Good morning, world. Okay, so for breakfast today, it's gonna be real buggy. I'm gonna do some, it's right here. We're gonna do a cricket Belgian waffle. And then I'm gonna grab some stuff for lunch for work tomorrow. I'm gonna do mealworm avocado toast. From yours truly, the Bugs for Beginner recipe book. Shout out. Multitasking, task switching. And then I'm gonna do scrambled eggs with some silkworms and some vegetables, of course. We on a mission. I need some syrup. What's up, world? It's your girl Vonnroach here at In Tune, where you can get in tune with entomology. I just wanted to make a PSA, do a PSA, all the above on my buggy breakfast. So this morning, what I'm doing is a Belgian waffle using all-purpose cricket flour. This is not a sponsored video. Seek all-purpose cricket flour, or all-purpose flour with cricket protein. I'm gonna just call it all-purpose cricket flour. Lovely company. There's a podcast where I'm reading not everything, but the important things on the back of the bag here, along with a few of the nutrient contents on the back of the bag. You know what I'm saying. But either way, I just wanted to just include y'all in on my day. So there's the Belgian waffle made with this, right? And then after I make it, I'm gonna use what am I using? Okay, so it's the Belgian waffle. Everything that's going in this waffle is repinned on my Pinterest. I think that one's Vonnroach. Vonnroach. Look me up. That's just the name. And then, of course, I'm gonna have scrambled eggs with it because I love eggs. What I'm doing with my scrambled eggs is I got my veggies set to the side already, and I'm doing chopped green onions. Pictures will be posted, of course. Chopped green onions with a butt ton of mushrooms because I love mushrooms, and silkworms. You're welcome. Silkworms, local from my grocery store, my Asian grocery store out here, Sea Fresh Market. They're frozen. They come frozen. Keep them frozen to save them, preserve them. I'm not a word person this morning, so it's Gucci. But yeah, that's really it. If you have any questions, I really don't know if I want to ask that question in this video. But yeah, here we go. We about to get it. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna be done talking. All right. Well, all right. In the stove behind me, I got some butter going on the pan because I am frugal and it be like that sometimes. And didn't anybody want to go buy oil when I still got butter? So that's for this. I'm about to saute all these. I got my eggs, scrambled eggs with some seasonings that I still need to scramble in there. This is for toppings for my Belgian waffle, along with strawberries. I'm gonna chop those as soon as I put my concoction over yonder. So yes. Stay in tune. Side note, what I'm about to do is use the rest of my mealworms from 21 Bites. They sent me a ton of good scrumptious insects. Once again, this video is not sponsored. This food is actually just good. So they say buffalo worms. I highly question that because they're tiny, but maybe it's a different stage of a buffalo worm. That's what I always come down to. It says spicy. It's not spicy, but it tastes like chili, and I think that it would go well in my eggs with the silkworms. So I'm about to use these bad boys as a garnish, and because I'm real about things, I want to keep them fresh, so I keep them in here. Over yonder, I have some buffalo worms from Jiminy's. I actually Got these from 21 Bites. Spicy chili. It says spicy. I only tasted chili. That's okay. Still tasty. I'm gonna add those to my eggs like a garnish. Got my scrambled eggs ready. If you're keeping track, I'm eating Mexican hot chocolate crickets from Flourish Farms, buffalo worms, spicy chili from Jiminy's, Seek Food all-purpose flour with cricket protein, and silkworms from my local Asian grocery store here in Des Moines, Iowa, Sea Fresh Market. 1, 2. I should put ants in there just because I can, just because I have some extra ants on the side, but I'm running low and I'm frugal, so I'm gonna hold on. All right, y'all, we got the silkworm concoction for my scrambled eggs going. I'm gonna do a little Yui because I'm a regular human and I have dishes behind me. We got scrambled eggs with the mealworms in it. Holla. Strawberries to be chopped. Decoration. Still used it. And your Belgian waffle gone. So the goal here, the goal in general, is to consume edible insects. I'm not too particular. I am particular about the product as long as it tastes good. And I always, not always, but I'm now asking people where they get their mealworms from, if they farm them themselves, just so I can agree to say that yes, it is sustainable. So I am trying to be sustainable. Hopefully I'm partially there. I know I'm more there than a lot of people in this whole entire nation. But yeah, so all I want to do is eat bugs on the regular, and here I am cooking breakfast. It smells so good. Whenever we come up with smell-o-vision, we'll all be happy because it's done, it's done, it's done, it's done, it's done. Yes. I was not playing when I said I'm hungry. Yes. Realistically, I doubt that I'll eat all of this, but that's fine. Leftovers. Yes. Pose for the camera. Pose. Get it, get it. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Stay in tune. That's in tune with entomology. So you can keep learning things about bugs and why I do what I do.